This is a Stanley 140 block plane. Special little block plane in that it is not much different from any others other than it is a skewed blade, and it is a rebate block plane. Looking at it just like that, you wouldn't tell. However, if you flip it around, you'll notice there's two screws, one here, one there. You loosen off these screws and the whole side plate pulls off. Two little locating pins that the screws bite into. Once you've removed that side plate, you've got clear access right up to the edge of the blade, in which case you've got the ability to take a rebate with this blade. Given that it's a skewed blade, it works very well cross grain as well as with grain. Very nice little plane to use. Standard thumb screw at the back to advance the blade, and another thumb screw under the lever cap to push the lever cap tight onto the blade. Outside of this, pretty standard. It's a solid toe, so you can't adjust the size of the gap in front of the blade, meaning that your shavings are going to be only controlled by the blade itself. Good to have a sharp blade in that case, because a blunt blade is likely to try and grab more meat and tear it up through that gap. Pretty special little plane, and has increased in value over the years. You'd be lucky to find one under $100 Australian. Generally they go for substantially more than that. This one is a very nice example, with majority of its nickel plate still in place and has cleaned up really well. Was rusty when received, but it's turned into be quite a good plane, which I use very regular. You'll notice the patent date on this, if we can get a good shot of it, is November 6, 94. That's 1894. So this plane is over 100 years old, heading towards 130. Whatever it is that you're looking at Stanley planes for, whether it is used to display, or both, happy hunting.